First, I'd like to thank you for purchasing the Moonstruck Epic 4D Fiberlash Mascara. Just so you know, there's a little trick to this mascara because the brush is made a little differently than most mascaras to get the best results. I know it has like instructions in here, but you really don't need them to put on mascara. If you know how to put mascara on, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you want to take your brush. If you look at the bristles, there's long bristles and short bristles. And inside each bristle is a Y-shaped fiber that will give your lashes the length and the volume that you're looking for. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it out of the tube, which I've already done for you. And you're going to put it to the base of your lash. And you're going to wiggle it. And then you're going to start to roll it. Like, roll it up. It's a technique that takes a little bit of practice. I also find if I wiggle it as I'm rolling up, like, you know, like move it back and forth and wiggle it, I find it a little bit easier. I always was a mascara roller, so I've always rolled my mascara, but I find when I wiggle it and roll it up, I get the best results. So there you go. It's that easy. It's as simple as putting on your normal mascara with just a little technique and a little trick to it. So again, you're going to go down to the base of your lashes. You're going to wiggle. And you're going to roll it up to the tips. Wiggle and roll. Wiggle and roll. And you can build it as high as much as you like. It is buildable. So if you want to do another coat on one eye, you can. You could always go back. You really don't need to keep dipping your brush inside the tube. There is a lot of product on this one brush. As you could see, I have not re-dipped my mascara back into the tube, and I did both my eyes. So you just want to roll it up, and that's it. Beautiful long lashes for days. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Please feel free to follow me on Facebook. Please also feel free to go on to my business page here on Facebook. Again, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. But I'm sure you're going to love your 4D mascara. All right. You have a great time. Good luck.